Saving and loading a recipe. To save a recipe, press and hold the recipe button for 3 seconds. This opens the recipe storage menu. Use the up and down keys to select a position in the list. Empty positions are shown as blank slots, while saved recipes display their name or number. Press the Enter button to choose the position, then press it again to confirm. The current operating parameters are now stored in the selected slot. If a recipe already exists in that position, it will be overwritten. To load a stored recipe, quickly press and release the Recipe button. This opens the Recipe selection menu. Scroll with the up and down keys to choose the desired recipe. Press the Enter button to select it, then press it again to confirm. The controller immediately loads all the parameters saved in that recipe. Once loaded, the name of the recipe appears at the top of the screen, indicating that it is now the active recipe.